Welcome to this tutorial on creating hyper-realistic AI talking avatars. In this video, you'll learn how to bring your avatars to life using tools like Midjourney, Dub, and the new Black. Whether you're a beginner or pro, get ready to take your creativity to the next level. Discover powerful techniques to make your avatars more captivating than ever and create great lifelike results that will set your work apart from the rest. Here's a little overview of what each tool does. Midjourney is an example of generative AI that can convert natural language prompts into images, and in our case, an avatar. Dub takes your avatars to the next level by enhancing animation and syncing lifelike movements with natural dialogue. The new Black is the ultimate creative platform, blending AI and style to make your avatars visually striking and ready to captivate any audience. I'll be creating a talking fitness coach avatar using cutting-edge AI tools. All the prompts and tool links are in the description below. First, I'll design a hyper-realistic avatar with Midjourney, then use the new Black to customize their workout gear, and finally, Dub will give them a dynamic voice and flawless lip sync animation for a professional video. So let's get into it. To log into Midjourney, first create or access your Discord account. Then, join the Midjourney server by following the invitation link provided on their website or community page. Once you're in your Discord server, you'll have access to the Midjourney bot, and it will process your image generation requests. Heading to a dedicated image generation channel, often labeled Newbies or Image Gene, you can enter your commands to create custom images. If you're part of a private server with the Midjourney bot, you can use it there as well. Just type /imagine, followed by your prompt to generate images. Now, let's create our hyper-realistic avatar. To obtain a hyper-realistic image, we have to use style weight, which is basically the realism level of the image. It goes from 0 to 250, 500 to 750, and 1000 is the maximum. The closer you are to 1000, the more realistic the image will be. In this case, as we are looking for hyper-realism, we'll use hyphens 1000. It must be used in the prompt as follows: --S0, --S250, --S500, --S750, --S1000. I've crafted the perfect prompt, which you can find in the description. A hyper-realistic gym trainer with a muscular body standing confidently facing the camera, detailed facial expression, natural lighting, high-resolution photography, emphasizing skin texture and muscle definition. Dynamic pose, --AR16:9, --S1000. And to set the aspect ratio for our images, we just added --AR followed by our desired ratio, like 16:9, which is ideal for YouTube. After generating 4 images in Midjourney, you can enhance your selections by using the U buttons U1, U2, U3, U4 for upscaling, which creates a higher resolution version of the chosen image. For variations, click the V buttons V1, V2, V3, V4 to explore different takes on a selected image. After selecting the image we like, we use V3 to create variations of the third image, exploring different styles and features based on our choice. Next, we'll select the avatar that speaks to us from the 4 generated images. Once we've chosen our favorite, we'll upscale that image to improve its detail and resolution, ensuring we achieve a polished and high-quality final look for our avatar. You can enhance your prompts by adding more specific details about your avatar, such as describing their clothing, accessories, and the type of background you envision. Including these elements helps create a richer and more personalized image, allowing the AI to generate an avatar that genuinely reflects your vision. Here's an example of how we change the background of our avatar. a hyper-realistic gym trainer with a muscular body standing confidently facing the camera. The image features a detailed facial expression, natural lighting, and high-resolution photography, emphasizing skin texture and muscle definition in a dynamic pose. Change background to the beach AR16:9-S1000. The prompt gives you, as a result, a man training. It has to be adjusted for a woman, I guess a fitness teacher, like a hyper-realistic, beautiful blonde woman in her mid-20s, personal trainer and fitness expert at the gym with a jacket body standing confidently facing the camera. The image features a detailed facial expression, natural lighting, and high-resolution photography, emphasizing skin texture and muscle definition in a dynamic pose. Change background to the beach AR16:9-S1000. If you find it challenging to develop prompts, consider using prompt generators to inspire your creativity. These tools can help you generate engaging and detailed prompts, leading to more visually appealing images from the AI. Now that we've created our realistic avatar, we can use the new Black AI to customize its look and style, transforming it into a unique and engaging character. To enhance our avatar even further, before we use the new Black AI, we can remove the background for a cleaner, more professional look. This helps the character stand out and makes it easier to integrate the software to customize our avatar and use it in various projects. For this, we'll use Pixel Cut. Just log in and select Remove BG. We upload the image of the avatar we created. Let's take this for example. After uploading the picture, it will look something like this. Then click on Download and we get the PNG image of our avatar, which we can use anywhere. Now we can customize our avatar using the new Black AI, allowing us to personalize its appearance, outfit, and overall style to match our vision and make it truly unique. First, log into the new Black AI and select Create an AI Design. Next, choose the Image-to-Image option. Upload the PNG image you generated earlier, then select the variation option, Edit Image from Test, which allows you to change the clothes of your avatar. Describe the changes you want to make, detailing the specific aspects of the avatar you'd like to modify for a fresh look. I added the red cape to his body, enhancing his look and giving him a more dynamic appearance. And here's the end result we have. You can change your avatar's clothes and accessories as per your liking. Once we've customized our avatar with the new Black AI, we can take it to DupDub to add voice and animation, bringing our character to life with dynamic speech and movement. Go to the DupDub website. If you don't have an account, click on the link below in the description. After logging in, select the AI avatar option. Locate the option to upload your avatar image. Select the avatar you created in Midjourney. Ensure the image is high quality for the best results. Let's take this for example. After uploading your avatar, choose the voice option. DupDub typically offers a variety of voice types. You can either record your own voice or select from pre-generated voice options. I selected Ariel Turner as my voiceover. Use a different voice? I use that one in the example, but it's terrible. After you're done choosing the voiceover, we move on to the script. You can either write or paste the script you want your avatar to say. Make sure the text matches the tone and context you envision for the character for a more realistic approach. You can also review the lip sync settings and adjust them as needed to ensure the avatar's mouth moves naturally with the speech. Once you're satisfied with the animation, use the export option to save the final video. Choose your desired resolution and format for optimal use in your projects. Here's how your end product looks like.
Living a good life often starts with cultivating a mindset of gratitude.
We've successfully crafted a hyper-realistic avatar, customized its look with the new Black AI, and brought it to life using DupDub. This powerful combination of tools allows you to create engaging animated characters that can enhance your projects and capture your audience's attention. Now it's your turn. Experiment with these features and unleash your creativity. In the description below, you'll find some exciting links to enhance your creative journey. Each link will guide you to powerful tools that can elevate your projects. Be sure to check them out and explore the possibilities. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.